with that cake.
Nothing with you, baby Herman. You were great. You were perfect. You were better than perfect. This Roger, he was blowing his line. Roger, what's this?
A tweeting bird.
A tweeting bird. Roger, read this. Look what it says. It says rabbit gets plunked, rabbit sees stars. Not birds, stars. Can we lose the playback, please? Roger, you're killing me, killing me.
But crying out loud, Roger. How many times do we have to do this damn scene?
Birds. Ow! I can't believe we used to do this to you every week.
Come on, where are they?
Oh, come on, Harold. It's the middle of the night. Just ignore it.
We've been through this, Eileen. It's my job. Do not ruffle me right now.
It didn't work. You gotta hit me again.
All right.
Oh!
Here, give it a good whack.
Okay, things are getting weird.
This isn't good.
Huh? Bad.